Hello, do you have a few shrubs in your property that aren't looking good? Or maybe you want to plant some new plants or shrubs just in different places of your yard. Well, my name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and that's what this video is about. We are actually offering a sale right now on shrubs. Contact us today. We will install 3 shrubs for $150. That's normally, they're normally $60 each. We'll be installing them for $50 a piece if you contact us through the end of January of 2021, and we can get you this sale. Now, obviously, if you want more plants, we can even give you a better deal if you reach out to us. The website is azlawns.com, and we will help you choose which shrubs to go. We actually have a great list of shrubs that we recommend for our desert climate. If you're having trouble just choosing a shrub, or maybe you just want to replace the shrub that you already had and maybe it wasn't doing too well this last summer, and it's, you just want to put something else in. So give us a call, 602-944-0421, or check out our website at azlawns.com. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube page and our Facebook page at AMS Landscaping, and check out our Instagram and Twitter at azlawns. Make it a great day.